Okay, hi. Part two of chicken parmesan. And we got the chicken, we got our eggs, and we got our breadcrumbs, a little bit of seasoning in there, and hot oil. So you're gonna go egg, breadcrumb them, throw them in there. Alrighty, I'll let you watch. Just put it in the egg, just like that. And the breadcrumbs. Oh. That's that easy. Whoa. I'm gonna do another one. Pretty simple. Beat it, bread it, and fry it.